This is a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's the SXT, and it is finished in white Knuckle Clear-Coat. It's got the black and Graystone interior with the suede inserts. Powered by the 3.6-liter V6 engine, this SUV has 114,796 miles as of this recording. And you can see it's got the big screen there in the middle with the Uconnect. Of course, it's going to have like 800 cup holders inside. Backup camera there, power sliding doors. This one has the stow and go seating as well, so you can flip all seats into the floor and have a massive amount of cargo area. Out back, you can see it's got a deep well. That's where those seats will go whenever you do the stow and go on them. But it's got a ton of space. You're going to want to come check this thing out. Next level in Hillsboro.